Welcome. Today, we are going to learn how to solve an exponential equation involving square roots. Our objective is to solve for x in the equation 3 to the power of the square root of x plus 3 to the power of the square root of x equals 162. By the end of this video, you will be able to simplify expressions with common bases and solve for a variable hidden within an exponent. Let's start with our given equation. Notice that we have the exact same term appearing twice on the left side. We can factor out the common term, 3 to the power of the square root of x, leaving us with 1 plus 1 inside the parentheses. This simplifies to 3 to the power of the square root of x times 2 equals 162. To isolate the exponential part, we divide both sides by 2. 162 divided by 2 gives us 81. Now, we want to express 81 as a power of 3. We know that 3 to the fourth power is 81. Since the bases are the same, we can set the exponents equal to each other. This gives us the square root of x equals 4. To solve for x, we square both sides of the equation. The square and the square root cancel out, and 4 squared is 16. So, x equals 16. Our first goal is to combine those identical terms on the left side of the equation. Since we have two of the same thing, we can treat this like adding apples. 1 apple plus 1 apple gives us 2 apples. Mathematically, we can factor out the common term. By pulling out 3 to the power of the square root of x, we are left with 1 plus 1 inside the parentheses. Simplifying that addition, we see that the left side is just 2 times 3 to the power of the square root of x. Now, to isolate the exponential part, we divide both sides of the equation by 2. 162 divided by 2 gives us 81. We are now left with a much simpler exponential equation. Since 81 is 3 to the fourth power, we can set the exponents equal. This tells us that the square root of x must be 4. To find x, we square both sides of the equation, and we find that x equals 16. Next, we want to relate the number 81 back to our base of 3. If we look at the powers of 3, we can see that 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, and times 3 again is 81. So we can rewrite 81 as 3 to the fourth power. Because the bases on both sides are now exactly the same, their exponents must be equal to each other. This allows us to drop the bases and set the square root of x equal to 4. We have successfully moved the variable out of the exponent and into a basic radical equation. For the final step, we need to solve for x by getting rid of the square root. To undo a square root, we perform the inverse operation, which is squaring both sides of the equation. When we square the square root of x, we are left with just x. On the right side, 4 squared, or 4 times 4, gives us 16. So our final answer is x equals 16. To summarize, we simplified the left side, related the constant to the base of 3, and then squared both sides to find our value. You are now able to solve equations where the variable is hidden inside a radical within an exponent.